Get ready to witness a leap into the future, because today, we're diving into the game-changing Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you thought you had seen it all, think again. This smartphone is here to redefine what's possible. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the Galaxy S25 Ultra is creating an unparalleled buzz across the tech world. From its jaw-dropping design to its groundbreaking features, this device is setting a new gold standard for smartphones, so buckle up, you don't want to miss this. And then there's the display. Samsung has outdone itself with the Galaxy S25 Ultra's 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. With razor-sharp visuals and vibrant colors, it's perfect for gaming, binge-watching, or even working on the go. The screen is a masterpiece, but Samsung didn't stop there. For outdoor enthusiasts, an anti-reflective coating has been added, ensuring you can use your phone effortlessly, even under bright sunlight. Let's talk power, because the Galaxy S25 Ultra is nothing short of a beast. Rumors suggest it will debut Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the most advanced processor to date. This chipset delivers laptop-grade performance in the palm of your hand. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, this phone is a multitasking powerhouse, capable of running graphic-intensive games and demanding productivity apps without breaking a sweat. It's not just fast, it's unbelievably efficient, making it the ultimate tool for work, play, and everything in between. Of course, no discussion of a Samsung Ultra phone would be complete without diving into its cameras. This is where the Galaxy S25 Ultra truly excels. The 200-megapixel primary sensor captures jaw-dropping details, even in low-light conditions, while the 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera lets you take breathtaking landscape shots with incredible clarity. And that periscope lens? It's designed for super telephoto shots that bring distant subjects into sharp focus. Selfie lovers haven't been left out either. The 12-megapixel front camera delivers stunningly clear photos and videos, ensuring you always look your best. But what about battery life? Samsung has packed a 5,000 mAh powerhouse into the Galaxy S25 Ultra, giving you the freedom to power through your day without constantly searching for a charger. And when you do need to recharge, the 45-watt fast charging feature ensures you'll be back up and running in no time. Prefer wireless charging? The Galaxy S25 Ultra supports 15-watt wireless fast charging, adding convenience to its already impressive list of features. Durability is another area where this phone shines. With an IP68 rating, it's water and dust resistant, meaning it can handle life's unexpected moments with ease. And let's not forget the stereo speakers, which deliver rich, immersive audio that's perfect for both music lovers and movie buffs. And with leaks suggesting there won't be a price hike compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an irresistible deal. With the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung is once again proving why it remains a leader in smartphone innovation. Whether it's the futuristic design, powerhouse performance, or advanced camera capabilities, this device is a marvel of modern technology. It's not just a phone, it's a statement. So what do you think about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Are you as excited as we are? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. See you in the next video.